Welcome to my craft room. This is a fun and quick project. These flags are a great addition to any gift basket or for decoration. I printed these designs using a laser printer, which is key. The foil will stick to the toner once you run it through the lamination machine. The first step will be to cut the flags. I'm using a ruler and this cheap rotary cutter I only use for paper, but you can use scissors. The next step will be to figure out what color of foil to use. Once you figure that out, place the flag right side up and the foil on top between two sheets of copy paper and do 2 passes through the lamination machine, once with the copy paper and the second pass without. Definitely cut the excess foil before running it through the machine. As you can see, mine crinkled up, so I cut off the excess before running it through again. Here is what not to do. Don't run exposed toner through the lamination machine. It will melt the toner and smudge your work. I did, and the toner smudged in a few places. If you don't plan on having foil on an area with toner, definitely cover it up. On this example of what not to do, I wanted multiple colors of foil, so I tried heat-resistant tape. However, it got stuck to the paper and tore the paper while I was pulling it off. Here is what happens when the foil crinkles up in the machine. I didn't mind since it added character, however I did try doing a second pass with another piece of foil. It didn't cover up the lines though. I like the way this turned out, however the black foil doesn't shine like the rest, so it doesn't even look like there's foil on there. Here I'm layering 2 different colors, which turned out okay, however it crinkled up again, which I didn't mind, but if you do, I'd be a little bit more careful when putting it in the machine. I'm using these scraps with this solid black piece of paper I printed with a laser printer to create another flag. However, the clear plastic left an impression, which is noticeable. Again, it's Halloween and it reminded me of those cereal letters with the cutouts, which didn't bother me, but again, if it bothers you, keep that in mind. I didn't like the white edges on the darker flags, so I'm running a black marker along the edge. So here are the results of my little experiment. I like how they turned out. Hopefully this gives you some idea of how to decorate your flag. To attach the flag to the dowel, place a piece of washi tape on the flag and line up the dowel. Roll the dowel until you curl the end of the flag. Then remove the washi tape and place a bead of hot glue or any other glue along the edge. I then roll the flag with a piece of scrap paper underneath to protect my work surface. What not to do. I tried placing hot glue on the flag, then rolling it, however it crinkled the foil. The way I explained earlier left the foil looking nice and smooth. The last and final step will be to decorate your flag with some ribbon and some cutouts. This is optional, but it looks more festive. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications later on. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try to help you the best that I can. Until next week, bye bye!